they have propolized this pretty hardcore. Yeah, that's just, the problem is it's just so propolized. Can't imagine they did this over a week, but...
Were you down in the bottom box, or did you just find her in the top box? And
I may have just let it go, but yeah. I cleaned out the bottom, so... Like, I pulled up all of the dead bees from every single one of them, so... I don't think that they propolized it this bad. Or burr combed it this bad, but maybe. Well, sorry girls, you guys gotta get a proper box inspection here. Good heavens, what a pain in the butt. So yeah, they put burr comb in there and made this also almost impossible.
Yeah, that propolis needs to get.
Well, here's how I will break it as best as I can. I know you guys are gonna be super pissed, but the guys built this really crazy comb. Yeah, girls, like, the comb was so far out. Like, what do you think you're doing? She's not gonna get down in there, and you guys aren't laying in there. I'll give you a frame of honey, and you guys stop doing weird things. Yeah? How about that? Yeah.